Coolpug 103, and today I'm going to show you, it's a test if this slime actually works. So for this slime test, you will need some food coloring. I don't know what I'm going to use. I'm going to use either red food coloring, green food coloring, blue food coloring, or yellow food coloring. You'll need a little container to put your things in, and you're going to need something to mix with. I'm just using these glue spiders, a bowl to do it in, glitter, optional, and the food coloring is also optional, glue, and wait guys, I forgot something. And you're going to need the pad, like laundry detergent pad. That's what the laundry detergent, I don't know whether that's going to work. The container was a fork to pop the laundry detergent pad, and the spoon to mix it with. So let's get on. I'm not going to make a lot of sound, I'm going to do like a little bit. So I'm just going to hold the camera like this. It's hard to, because this is, sorry guys, this is not actually a camera, it's my phone. So I'm going to try and hold this somehow. I'll be back when I figure it out. Okay guys, so I figured out, I just need to quickly put you back there. You just slipped out. So first you want to add some of your glue. It has to be PVA, otherwise it will not work. It has to be PVA. So you just want to add some of your glue. Just some of it. No, sorry guys. Depends how much slime you want. The much slime you want, the more glue, the more slime you'll get. The amount of glue, the amount of slime. So I'm going to add about this much. That's how much I'm adding. You just want to, then you want to just get your food coloring. I think I'm going to make yellow. Because I never made yellow. Oh god. Sorry guys. I never made yellow slime. So I'm going to use this rich yellow. It's called yellow food coloring. Not rich yellow, I just call it rich yellow. Just want to carefully. Oh god guys. I keep dropping the phone. Make sure asking parents before you do, or just do it if you're allowed. Oh god. So I'm just gonna add about one of these in there. Just want to add about that much. You can add more, but I just want to add that much. And you want to just, then you want to just, your spoon mix it. Why does it have to be this nice yellow color? It's actually dark, it's just on the phone, it's a bit lighter, but it's actually like banana yellow, but on the phone it's actually this creamy yellow, but it's actually banana yellow. So you just want to put that in. Then I'm going to put some food coloring. I actually use a little glass. Don't know why I got them, but I just used. Sorry guys, I keep laughing. God. Just gonna stop falling. I'll be back in a minute when I got the glitter out. Okay guys, I got it out, so I'm gonna use gold glitter because it matches like this. So I'm just going to quickly get some of it. First we do need to take the little paper bit out of it. It's got a little paper bit. And already really glittery. Like, you can never have too much glitter. Just joking. Of course you can have loads of glitter. Wow. Look at that, guys. That is so pretty. So then you want to just add some of your glitter. About this much. So I've only have a little bit. It's about that much. And it's not even that much. There's a lot in there. And that looks like quite a lot of glitter. And I've only used glitter. A lot of glitter. Sorry guys, it's just like a buzzing. It's really distracting me. Whoa, look at that, guys. It is so pretty. If you look at the banana yellow with the gold, it looks so pretty. You can see the little sparkles. And you can see the little glitter. It's so pretty. So now what you want to do, you want to get your pad and explode it. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm just going to get my little pad. I'm just going to explode it. It's going to be quite hard. Just explode the pad because the rubber is actually really hard on the pad. There we go. I added it, guys. There we go. Like, that is all. That. Gotta put the freaking. But I don't know whether this is gonna work, but hoping it is. And. Guys, it's working! I don't know what to say. It's working. I'm just mixing this and it's working. It's working, guys. It's actually turning so. I need a bit more. Okay, where's the hole? Oh, it's there. There's this blue thing. Green thing. So slippery. Shit. My hands are really disgusting. I'm just gonna mix that up. This guy's turning out like pretty. I ended up using another pad, so I'll be back in a minute. Just gonna add another pad. Get another pad. So guys, I'm back. I'm now at the table and I'm going to explode another. So I'll be back when I explode. Guys, I popped it, so let's just mix it. I'll be back when I mixed it. Guys, I'll be back when I mixed it. So guys, I added some of it, just didn't work, so guess that was an epic fail. So see you next time in another slime video. Bye!